Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are opening the cable organizers from the Beanie and National Bookstore collab. We have 8 packs right here, and without further ado, bubuksan ko na siya. Not gonna lie, ang exciting. So I open it up like Pokemon card packs kasi tawag dito, I wanna keep the packaging. Ayan, may ginagawa kasi ako sa kanya. Okay, ito na yung clue natin for the first one. Kilala nyo na ba? It's Gwen! Ayan. Ganun pala. It looks like that. Ayan. Good thing, kompleto yung snap thing niya. And then the photo card is not damaged. The item is not damaged. Pero parang tabingi siya masyado. Check ko na lang yung iba. Pero, is that normal? We'll see. Okay, we already have Gwen. Tatry natin makomplete silang 8. Sana makuha natin lahat. So guys, ano na to kumbaga, ayan na yung clue. We have Joanna! Ayan. Ang ginawa ko is, I was filling up the packs. So, ganun ko siya tinry makomplete. So, not sure kung tama to. Pero if I'm not mistaken, I have all 8 right here. Pero I could still be wrong, guys. Kasi pag kinakapaan nyo, medyo parehas si Stacy, tsaka si Colette, si Maloy, tsaka si Gwen. So, I could still be wrong. Ayan, ito na yung clue, guys. Kita nyo na ba? We have... Hindi ko lang matanggal yung photo card. Ayun yun. There we go. Oops, nalaglag. We have Colette. Baliktad pa. Colette. Ayan, nakalagay ko. Colette. Okay. So far, pag tinagtabi-tabi sila, yung kay Gwen, tsaka kay Joanna, parang slanted masyado. Kasi tinan niyo yung kay Colette, parang sakto lang. Yung kay Gwen, parang sobra yung slant. Ayan. Guys, alam niyo ba, sobrang sulit nito kasi it already comes with a charger or cable organizer. Tapos meron ka pang free photo card. So, I think this is super sulit. Kayo muna titingin. Oh! It's Aya! Bias ko! Finally, hindi sira, guys. Yay! Tsaka si Mika na lang kulang sa bias line ko. Hindi ko pa nakuha ang wrecker ko na si Maloy. So, I'm praying nandito siya. Okay, hindi ko pa naman nakikita, guys. Kumbaga na-tear ko pa lang yung likod. I just teared it. Oh, basta ko! Ayan. Photo card niya. And then, yan, Stacy. Straight din yung kay Stacy. Like, maganda yung pagkakalagay, yung centering kina Merlo. Okay, we have the last 2. Ayan. Hindi sure kung may mauulit dito, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Malay! May bias wrecker. So, si Mika na lang talaga ang hinihintay ko. Because we already have... Ay, hindi. Dalawa pa pala to. Okay, Sheena pa, diba? Okay, kasi pinagtatabi ko yung mga ships. So, nakikita ko kung sino pa yung kulang. May dalawa pa pala. Akala ko last one. In fairness, ang hirap na buksan na. Parang ayaw magpabukas. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Mika! complete na yung bias line ko, guys. So, we're now looking for Sheena na lang. Sana lang. Okay, naputol pa yung video. Pero ito. I'm hoping this is Sheena kasi para makomplete ko silang lahat. Oh, Sheena! Oh my gosh! Alam niyo ba guys, kinapakapa ko lang talaga to. As in, like, I was filling up all the packs sa sa National Bookstore. So, mafe-feel nyo kasi siya sa ears nung cable organizer. So, iba-iba kasi sila ng shape. Kaya ako sinasabing similar yung kay Gwen tsaka kay Maloy. Kasi pareha silang bilog. Sila lang yung bilog actually. And then, we have, may crease yung photo card ni Maloy. Anyways. Ayan. Yung kay Stacy tsaka kay Colette, parehas din sila ng ears. Ayan, so medyo nahirapan ako dito. Ang difference lang nila is si Staku merong ganto, si Colette wala. And then yung kay Joanna medyo madali kasi isang bilog lang siya tas may parang ganun sa top. Yung kay Mika din sobrang bilis kasi hiwalay yung ears niya. Like if you feel something na pa ganun, kay Mika kaagad yun. Yung kay Sheena din, super dali. Kasi siya lang yung may mahabang ears ng bunny. So, if you feel something na medyo long na ganito, I'm pretty sure that's already Sheena. Ngayon, yung medyo tricky is yung kay Aya. Kasi sometimes I mistake it for Stacy. Dahil dun sa ganun. Pero you just have to feel yung ears niya na ganyan, hindi patulis. Yun. So that's Aya. Ayan guys, I'm already giving you tips on how you can get your bias. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and recap lang tayo ng acting polls. So let's start with Josie. So this is Stacy's. Ayan. Ganito po siya. You clip it like this. Ayan, ganyan. Pinipindot lang. Cable organizer. And then, syempre Josie nga sabi ko. So, Joanna. Ay, kulit yung photo card. Sorry. Magkatabi sila. Ayan, Joanna. And then, Hambebe. So, we start with Gwen. Ayan. Baliktad pa. Ayan. Gwen. And then, we have Sheena. And then, we have Macolette. So, we have Maloy. Tapos, we have Colette. And then, of course, my bias line, we have Mika. Yan. And Aya. Yan. Not gonna lie, I'm so happy with my polls. Super happy. And I'm happy I got them all right. So, ayun. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!
You